All right, here we go. Beautiful home for sale in the villages of Sunbury and Sunbury, Georgia. 80 Rookery View Drive. This is a 4-3. Let's take a look. Go up the front porch, nice swing into the foyer. This is a very well appointed home for the price. Going upstairs, we've got a bedroom on the right. It's got a couple closets, nice desk with granite. Across the way, we've got a bonus room. This could easily be converted into a 5th bedroom. Plenty of room along this wall for an extra closet. A shared bathroom if you desire to do so. And then, of course, you do have a tub for the kids if needed. Downstairs, let's take a look at the second bath. This is very well done. Look at the wallpaper. Absolutely stunning sink and vanity. And then into one of the guest rooms, which faces out to the eastern side of the lot. Beautiful landscaping. The other bedroom faces out front. Gorgeous closet space. And now we're into the kitchen. Beautiful island. You've got double ovens with convection. Look at that gas stove and, of course, the hood. Wonderful dining space that folds into the living room. Look at the fireplace there. The dog doesn't come with the property, by the way. Your laundry room, granite sink, double car garage. You can come in and out through the laundry room. Great setup. Into the hallway for the master. And look at this master suite. Just absolutely gorgeous. Tray ceiling with backlighting. You have a fireplace that's shared with the living room. The master bath is so well appointed. Clawfoot tub actually looks like a work of art. You've got a stand-up shower that's adjacent to your water closet. And next to the water closet, of course, you do have your walk-in closet. Plenty of living space here. Storage. You can do just about anything you need to. Anyway, let's take a look back outside. Here's your lanai. Off to the right of that, you've got gorgeous landscaping, little pet area with AstroTurf, keep your paws dried. Into the pool area again, check out this hot tub. You're definitely going to want this feature in the winter and fall here in Georgia. It does get a little chilly, but that'll be very enjoyable. Your fountain area off to the side yard, 2 fountains, beautiful pond looking across your neighbors, mature landscaping, fire pit. These features just go on and on with this home. You do have a local boat ramp in the area. It'll get you straight into deep water access, get the boat of your dreams. 8 miles to the ocean. You got St. Catharines and Oswald out there. There is plenty of boat storage. Anyway, you got to come check out this property. It's one of a kind here in Sunbury, Georgia. Give us a call. Megan Welch, 954-857-8734. We look forward to helping you.